All right. Okay, so we are live. I'm sorry, yesterday we didn't do the live stream. I was busy, and yeah. So let's do some analysis. So last time I checked when I did the live stream, so we did some analysis and say I told you guys that we might not see much volume in next 2 days. So today is 31st FMC day, and we were expecting for price to go down from these zones, but we've seen some bullish momentum over here. That could be a grab of the liquidity before the FOMC or something like that. But taking a look here, we got. Let me just. Okay, yeah. So here's the weekly candle. Okay, let me just at least please share a screen flashing. Okay, great. So as I was saying before, that we are on the resistance. This weekly candle did reject it and close back into the range. Okay. We today is the last day for this monthly candle to close. Either we might see a flip till here and continuation of the down. Okay, let me just keep on explaining things. So we have two areas. One area is this one. We already started rejecting that based on a smaller time frame. If I go to 1 hour, we might see some consolidation here. So what we can see, if price do close above this area, we can see a next target is this area. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, it is not a strong area. The only reason is that because that was a fake out here on us bigger time frame, right? So on small like 30-minute time frame, we have already covered that half. So we still have some room to the top side. We might see some, you know, hit into 4 to 430, and then we can drive down either, or I don't know. So we have news in about half hour or so, right? Yeah, it's 6 p.m. It's already 5:30. At 5:45, we have non-farm employment changes. Let's see what we get that time. We still have 15 minutes for that. Keep in mind that today gold is in a huge consolidation zone, so we are not taking any trade until or unless we see a breakout of these areas. Okay, because if we do break below, then we have a clean range over here. You can see when we have a clean range of 100 pips or so, we can move further down as well. Looking at the GU at the moment, what do we have on GU? What do we got? So GU is in strong downtrend, as you guys can see, making a low, high, low, high, and yeah, continue the trend. I mean, so basically on a small time frame, I cannot say much. It's too much messy. But yeah, we see a huge bearish candle multiple times. So we might see another one here to here. So I'm just waiting for this 4 hour candle to flip from here. Okay. If it does flip here again, then taking a sells and continue driving down price till here would be perfect. So that could be a potential sell entry there. On looking at the daily time frame, at the same time, we have not break the low of the previous candle. So if we break that, that is a huge confirmation for us for price to move down as well. So basically, on smaller time frame, 15-minute or so, we are looking for sells. We just need to find a better entry or something to take those sells and hold it for some time. GJ, oh my God, this pair is moving now. You know, if you have not got any trade on this one, I mean, sad for you, but like amazing. So I did got some scalp like around 20 to 30 pips. Hello, hey, what's up? Sorry, like yesterday I was not doing the live stream. You can tell by my voice that I was not feeling well at all. So yeah. So again, we are approaching a strong resistance zone here. Price have started doing an uptrend on a daily time frame from here. Okay, so if we are reaching this zone, we might reject this area. Okay, we might, if there is a much volume, even though we might reject this area. So for a rejection here, what we need to do is see if this 1 hour candle could have. Hey, what's up? Thank you for the support, bro. So as I was saying, that GJ is like strongly pushing. If you got any trade below this area, would be a perfect trade. Like we got a break of structure, retest, and then again flip bearish. So on this break of area, you can just you could take a sell here. Okay, and stop loss won't be too tight. It will be like 67 pips in order to target what not next zone we had here. But like we had only one candle, which was amazing. That was like 139 pips move. So pretty good, right? GJ is like now moving like old days. This is the price movement we had back in the like. Let's go to weekly time frame to tell you like what I mean, right? So yeah, you see here this was too messy for me, but back in the day, GJ was moving like huge pips. You see, we had a downtrend, continuation of the downtrend, like big candles here. Then we had a consolidation. So I'm hoping that price might, reject this area once, do a retest till here, and then continuation of the trend. You know, so on smaller time frame, we can look for buys, but we need to see some structure for the price to create. So what I'm expecting here to see is something like this. We might, consolidate, make some wicks. Might retest this lows here, and then we might, see the price to go down. So once we create some kind of a structure like this, once we break those, then we can take entries for buys and target this highs or this highs. You know, that could be a potential retest on a bigger time frame, and we can scalp in that. Target around 10 to 20 pips would be an amazing trade. Okay. So yeah, what do we have on dollar index? It is moving down. So gold should have enough volume to push up, right? Keep in mind, we are at a resistance zone here too. Right. What do we have? So yeah, as I was saying, that we have a like a strong zone over here. You can see price have rejected that zone multiple times here with the wicks. So I'm counting like if price want to continue going down, we need to see a closure below based on weekly time frame. Yep. So we got closure below on a daily time frame, but we immediately went back up. So this could be a small grab liquidity to move further up. So gold can push to the downside. Okay. So looking at the gold here, we are at the stronger resistance to the upside. So we reject, we come down. Same for dollar index. Like we are at a support zone, we might reject and go up. So opposite pairs, that means our analysis can be good and we can easily target some good profit today. Most likely, we might see enough volume today for gold to move, but keep in mind that volume will help us to predict the next month, proper analysis like where price will go, what I mean. So for now, I think we are just waiting at this point. We just wait. There is no trade idea in this zone. It's just consolidating for quite some time. So I'm not looking for any buy sell here. In the meantime, now if you guys have any questions or anything, Lika, do you want to join us on the call? Do you want to? Where are you on the Discord? All right, yeah. So for now, we are not, targeting much here. You see, we've been in a consolidation. If this is like this is that pattern, if you know, this pattern. I don't know if anyone trade this pattern or not, but it does like this. I don't know where it will go though. I mean, it is what it is, right? If you do trade trend lines, this would be your pattern. You wait for a breakout retest, and yeah, okay, all right. So yeah, price is moving here. We got still like we got around 7 minutes or so before the news, and then we have rest of the news at 6 p.m. So we got two news today. Let's see what we can get. I mean, I will be looking on a smaller time frame to take an entry on this time, because keep in mind we will when the news will hit, it will be like either it will be like too much pressure and it will go somewhere, but either we trade after the news hit, either we can trade like later at the same time of the news. News. Guys, let me know if my audio is properly, uh, I mean, right way, and please tell me if you can see my screen properly. Like there is no buffering, there is nothing like, you know, keep. So you see, we started moving to the upside here, but we never break this low here. When we did break the low, we started doing consolidation, came back up again, but we never break this low here again. So it is important. Once we break this low, then this low, that will be the confirmation that price is ready to go down in order to break this low. All right. How much pip range is this? Like this is 70 to 80 pips range on GJ. This on 5 minute, 5 minute time frame, this range is for 70 to 80 pips. I mean, even if I take a trade here, take a buy, I can still easily target around 30 pips or so on this trade. Can you imagine? I like it. I like GJ now. You know, we have much volume in this pair right now. Too much volume. So let's wait for some confirmation before we do take any further trades. I think I need to create a, you know, like a template something for the live stream. So my audios and things do stay properly. I can see chat on the one screen. We'll try. Goodbye. I mean, why it's this here? What happened in May 2020? Why we have this huge so from last we've been like around 500, 600. We've been increasing 150K, but 47 seconds. Right. They were expecting forecast was 147K and we got 122K. This is like bad for the USD. That means gold should be moving to the downside here, and dollar index should be moving to the top. But we have not seen much reaction over here. So can't say. Most likely we will wait another 15 minutes or 30 minutes before price to make a move. How the market is treating you lately? I mean, like, so last time I made a huge mistake on my funded account. So yeah, we lost the phase one here. But the reason we did manage the risk and we did everything, but the problem was I did a silly mistake is that I opened a trade and I slept and I didn't put the stop loss. So, you know, that is like, I know it's like too silly mistake, but I had a headache and I was like, okay, let me just sleep for some time and then I'll come back and check. But I woke up in the morning. So we hit the daily drawdown limit. But I think we should target this highs on a smaller time frame. Should we? I mean, yeah. So what I think here, guys have rejected this multiple times, okay? And we are coming back into the news. We got volume session right now, like now. So question is, will price will first move to the top and then continue the downside, or will it just break and go continue downside? Let's see. We got still 10 minutes. How much time we have? We still got around, yeah, we got 10 minutes before we see news. So I'm gonna stick to 30-minute time frame right now, and we'll be taking an entry point based on 5-minute time frame when the next candle to open up. But I will wait at this. In the meantime, tell me like how you been doing for last 10 days when I was not doing the live stream. How was your profit or whatever? Did you make some loss, profit, whatever? What did you do? What did you do? Tell me. Let's do some good conversation. Bad. Why bad? What happened? Was it because of news? Was it because of the risk management? Was it because of a silly mistake like I did? Or what was it? On and off price was terrible, but it ended up in a profit at the month. Missed some entries and stupid entries. Mostly was ranging and messy, so avoided of a lot of losses. Actually, that's true. Like gold is like had some ranges, and most likely people are looking for sells on gold, but it's like been going up after that. So even I am confused at that point, but right now I think because of the news, we might see some volume and it will give us a direction where price will go. But yeah, so you miss some entries, right? I mean, yeah, that's totally fine. Missing entries, that's okay because you will get multiple opportunities in this market. There is no problem with that. You can get too many entry points. So don't worry about that. And I don't think so, like at this time, anyone will be trading this news. So let's see. Yeah, true. I will pull back. I think it was due to last night attack. Gold pumped up. Oh, okay. What do you mean by last night attack? I didn't check the news. Are you talking about this? Interesting. Ah, okay. You're talking about this when you're trying the threat to tilt against it. Possible when it's morning and it will all right. Yeah, it did happen. So possible, that's true. That's true because whenever there is a talk related to war or destroying the earth, I mean gold does go up. So I don't know. Possibly that could be the reason gold is pumping, but we need to see the data as well. Today we have for FOMC, and if we do not get enough volume today, then we will definitely get volume Friday because we have NFP. So either it is after the NFP, either it is before the NFP. But the thing is, wherever we do close based on weekly time frame, okay, so either we see at least we will see price pulling flipping back on weekly candle today. If there was a volume at the new with the news, you might see the flip of the candle and price can continue going down till here, till 340 or around this area. Can you please explain the effect of the federal rates on gold and USD? So basically, if you're talking about the interest rate, whenever they increase the interest rate, that is not good for the gold. How much time we have? I think we have 5 minutes only, right? Yeah. So this is the last 5 minute candle. We're gonna open up in 2 seconds. Uh, we'll keep an eye on the chart because it's now important where price will go. Okay, brother. I did read your question. Just give me a moment. I am. It's 5 minutes. Just signing. keeping sure, making sure what will be the best decision to see like related to gold. Will it go up or down? All right, yeah. So as I was saying that yeah, if they increase the interest rate, that is bad for gold. Gold will push down. But if interest rate do decrease, right? They finally decide to like make interest lower, then gold price will be better. What what? Yeah. Sorry. You're welcome. Welcome. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got how much? We got 3 minutes left. Gold is pushing here to the top side with no bottom wick on a 5 minute candle here. So let's see. I mean, we got 15 minute candle opening up. We got 30 minute candle opening up. Yeah. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we did break the low and flipping bullish. So you might see price moving to the top first before coming down. Okay. You might see that. So yeah, we got 2 minutes left. Let's see what price does. We got 2 minutes, 10 seconds. One minute left. 1 minute. We just turn on the light. Let's see at least. Yeah, it's getting dark a little bit here. So, yeah. How much time? Last 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Let's go. Either we see a push to the top, then once we see that, I'll be looking for sells here based on 4 hour time frame. Once this 4 hour candle do go up and then flip bullish, bearish again, then I'll be looking late. I mean, looking for sells. Sorry for the me. Yeah. So at the moment, we wait. We got 20 seconds. Even at 7:30, we have some news, so we might take a look at that time too. All right. We go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, price is going up. Did it just stop? Yeah, it did went up, but it's rejecting now, flipping bearish again. So let's see. Yeah, what happened here? So we got employment cost index. They were expecting 1%. So that's lower. That means gold should be driving down. But it's bad for the USD, then gold should be going up actually. Yeah, with the same news we had before, that is bad for USD. That means gold have enough volume to go up. I misunderstood last time. All right, we are still in consolidation. So we got next news at 7:30 p.m. We wait for that. Next one is PMI is at 7:15, then it's 7:30. So we got quite some time. What do we have on? Do we get any trade ideas on GU? GU is pushing to the top still, so no trade on that. GJ, I mean, like we did break and close below this structure. So if we break the low here again based on smaller time frame, yeah. So we need to see some closure. Even this 5-minute closure again breaking the lows here, that could be a potential sell entry to target this lows we have, even on 30-minute time frame. So yeah, let's see if we can get that trade. So once we see any on a smaller time frame, once we see any break of structure here, then putting sells and putting stoppers above this area in order to target the lows would be a good entry point. We got 26 minutes for. So yeah, we got 25 minutes for 1 hour closure, for 4 hour as well. We did break the low here on 4 hour time frame. So basically looking for sells will be pretty good until or unless this 4 hour candle would like to flip bullish. Yeah. So question is that will it flip bullish? Will it flip bearish or bullish? I don't know. All right, we got some time left here, but I'm checking things out. Okay. I'm gonna add another symbol to here. Is all right. I think GJ is trying to flip bullish because looking at the 4 hour time frame after breaking the low, we might see this closure here in next 22 minutes. So current 30-minute candle should be like closing here as a bullish candle based on 5 minute time frame. Yep, might see price coming up again. But for now, we have no trade ideas. Okay, we could scalp in GJ actually. You know what? We got 2 minutes, right? We got 2 minutes left before this 5 minute candle do close. Yeah, all right. So 5 minute, 15 minute candles. Okay. So if this candle do close back into the range here again, if this 15 minute candle do close back into the range, I'm expecting next candle do a retest and flip bullish would be our trade entry point. Okay, I'm back. So what do we what do you see? As I said, we got Around 4 minutes. Wait a second. We got new 5 minute candle open up. So now it's important how price does to move. There's no volume coming. I mean, true, but this range we have on GJ. You mean gold? Yeah, right now there is no volume at all. I mean, we might see some volume at 7:30 or NYSC open, most likely. But let's see, NYSC open. People join our Discord group if you're not into the group, because most likely we update more there sometimes if I'm not available or something like that. Or I think I sooner or later, most likely I'll do live stream on Discord because here I cannot do much thing, I cannot share properly sometimes. So we might, but not sure. Yeah, we still have 15 minutes. So we wait. Okay, we got closure on GJ 15 minute back into the range. Okay, so how much is that? We need to put stop loss below this area. That would be 50 pips or so. Target is 40 pips as well. So will this 15-minute candle will be like covering this much up, 60 pips or so? Question is that, like, does this 15-minute candle have enough volume for price to push further to the top here? When we did try to break the lows, we made a new low, making a low high. Possible chances, yes. I would like to see a small wick on this 5-minute candle. That's why I'm not taking a trade because this candle could flip anywhere. in next 4 minutes. So waiting at this point. Even on the 50-minute candle, what I said is keep it in mind that I told you guys that I would like to see first this candle coming down, retest this zone, reject it, and then flipping bullish would be our trade idea. But we didn't do that. We directly pushed to the top side. Okay. So even if we still respect these highs and go back down and reject, then flip bullish, then I'm still ready to take the buys. But right now, okay. Yeah, GJ did break the highs here. So our trade idea is not valid now because I was expecting if this candle just could, retest and then reject to the top, that would be a really good entry point. And we have some risk management to put there. So if I take a buy here, I need to put stop loss below. But if this candle come back down and then flip bullish, I can put stop loss exactly below the wick and price to move to the top. Could be a pretty good trade, but it's okay. We're still waiting for. We got 11 minutes before the new 4 hour candle open up. So let's see. I don't think so. We'll see much volume, I guess, now because it's already like 6:30 and I think we'll wait. We do not have any choice at this moment to take trades. Interesting. Yeah. So this price is still moving down here after breaking the lows. Mhm. Okay. All right. That means this 4 hour candle should be rejected and flip bullish sooner or later. If it does that, then we should see some reaction on gold. I think taking a sell opportunity, the best will be at this area at 2428 or somewhere around that. So let me just big, yeah, I think this could be the best selling entry. So once we see a break of the structure to the top side, grabbing some liquidity and flipping back into the range would be our entry point, putting stop loss exactly above these areas and targeting these lows we have here. But let's see if we can get that. GJ is pushing, I think. Yeah, see. So as I said, this was a really good trade idea. But the only thing was I was not sure is about the wick. Mostly price do create a wick before pushing to the right direction, but it didn't create the wick for me, so that's why I didn't took the trade here. I think we have 3 minutes left before the new 4 hour candle do open up. So let's see what price does here. 2 minutes left. We got 1 minute left. Let's see how prices are closing on these time frames. We got small rejection point. So if we go up, then flip bearish would be a pretty good. So yeah, I think we might see some opportunity after the 4 hour candle to 4 hour candle open up. Let's see. – 36 seconds, 35 seconds actually. So now we got two confirmation that candle is now, respecting this area or before closing. Okay. So what I'm expecting for next candle to do is most likely break this highs here and then flip bearish and then come down. That would be a potential trade idea we can check. And there we go. All right. Price did started moving to the top side. I like it. So now what we just need to wait for price to break above, touch into this zone or this zone before we start selling on the top. Potential sell entry should be at this area. Yeah. This or most likely this. In these two zones we can sell. But we need to see if the price to touch this two zone first. With the new 4 hour candle opening up, we might see some down movement till here and before it flip bullish, right? So based on a small run from like 5 minute and 15 minute, if this 15 minute do break above and then flip bearish, then I can take a sell, target this lows we have. That would be still like how much? 47 pips. And yeah, we will be happy to take that. So just waiting at this point. All right. Yeah, most likely I'll be looking for sells at the top here, but I'll still wait for price to reject, okay, before I take any sells at the top. GJ is starting to moving to the downside here again. So I think pretty good, to be honest. We got uptrend, we got a break of structure here, and doing a retest and then continuation of the downtrend. Even if this 15-minute candle in next 9 minute does close above, that would be a potential for price to go up. Then we can, could be best. But let's see. I'm still waiting. If price is too much messy, there's no volume. I don't know if I need to trade or not, to be honest. I guess, yeah. I mean, how much time we have for the news? We still have 1 hour left. So you know what? I'm gonna end the live stream here right now. It's been an hour since we started the live stream, and right now I'm not in a position to do live stream for longer time because I have some things to do and I'm not feeling well, as I said. So yeah, most likely I will update you guys in the Discord group that what we're gonna do. If I take any trade, I'll update in the Discord group. If I what I'm looking for, if this trade setup change, if price doesn't come up and just start breaking the lows, how will I take the entries and everything? I'll put it in the Discord group. Okay, so join the Discord group. I will see you there. Thank you for being part of this trading journey. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Ciao, bye bye.